Hello, everyone. This is Tyson with the Miami Association of Realtors, bringing you a few quick tips when running a production report in Matrix. If you're not sure where to go in order to run a production report, you're going to go over here in the top right corner where you see Market Reports. You're going to give that a click. Then what that's going to take you to is the On-Demand Reports section. From here, you'll see under Agent, you're going to see Agent Production Report. You're going to give that a click. Now, there are several different ways you can run a production report. For example, we have the first section here, Agent ID. You would just input the applicable agent ID there. The other way you can run a production report is by first and last name. The main reason why you would run a report based on first and last name is if you've been a member of several different associations within the South Florida area. For example, you were with one association and then maybe you came over to the Miami Association or vice versa. If you put your first and last name, the system will find all production regardless of any usernames you've used in the past and will show all production. You can also run a production based on email address as well and office ID. Before you run your report, you would want to make sure that you first select the correct start date. The start date refers to when the listing first hit the MLS as active, not when it's sold. So I just wanted to make sure I clarify that information, as we often get this request via email. Once you input all of your criteria, you're just going to go down here and then click Generate Report, and then give the system about a minute or so, and then it's going to generate your production report. I hope you found this tip helpful. You can find tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers, and of course within our MLS Help Center. Thank you for watching and have a great day.